3 reasons your real estate videos get ignored. Okay, be honest. Have you ever spent an hour editing a video, posted it, and then sat there waiting for anything? A like? A share? A comment? Nothing. Just digital silence. You're not alone. And no, it's not the algorithm. Your property isn't the problem either, but the way you're presenting it, that might be. Pain points. I've worked with agents who are incredible in person. They sell like pros, but their videos, they get ignored. And here's why. Mistake number 1, you don't hook viewers fast enough. That slow pan of the living room may look nice, but in the first 3 seconds, no one's emotionally invested. Mistake number 2, no captions. Most people scroll with sound off. If your video has no text, you're losing them immediately. Mistake number 3, you're repurposing the same video everywhere. Posting your YouTube tour on Instagram, Facebook, Reels, each platform speaks a different language, and your content needs to be fluent in all of them. The fix. Look, you don't need to become a content creator. You're a real estate professional, and your job is to close deals, not to figure out how to make TikTok edits at midnight. That's where we come in. At Brand Locally, we take your raw clips, yes, even those vertical phone videos, and turn them into scroll-stopping content. With bold hooks that grab attention in the first few seconds, captions that talk to your audience, even on mute, and platform-optimized edits that actually fit where you're posting, so your YouTube tour isn't getting awkwardly chopped off in an Instagram reel. We don't just make videos, we make your message work. So if you've been wondering why no one's engaging with your content, it's probably not the home, it's the delivery. And the good news, you don't have to fix it alone. Comment "Fix my feed" or tap the link below. We'll show you how to turn those ignored videos into leads, messages, and booked showings. Let's finally make your content work as hard as you do. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. Stay tuned for more updates. Bye-bye.